Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infiniti of Nashua. Today we have the 2019 Infiniti Q70. This was Infiniti's full-size sedan. Well, I mean, it technically still is a full-size sedan. However, they don't make it anymore, unfortunately, because these things were awesome. This one features the 3.7 liter V6. You could get a 5.6 liter V8 in these, which I think is just awesome. Do we have the original sticker in here? I don't think so. That's unfortunate, but this is gorgeous. Heated, ventilated seats, navigation, sunroof. There's nothing else I could really want. Before you ask, yes, because this has the 3.7, this does have a VQ in it, which is pretty cool. Same motor that's found in your 370Z. Pretty cool statement to have. What's amazing about this is Infiniti makes sports luxury cars. They want a driver-centric feel with luxury and reliability. This gave us everything. Gave us luxury, gave us sporty driving. I believe you could get a Q70S. Again, like I said, you could get a 5.6 in this, which is crazy to think about. I think I've seen one in our service department. That's it. Oh, that sun's getting brutal. Oh, I love 3.7s. They rev to the moon. Little kick down test. Well, I guess that accident's backing up traffic everywhere. What that means is I'm going to go a different way. Alright, so you got a bit of an extended highway drive out of this, I guess. But, you know what? I'll wrap it up right about here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.